the crowded roads where the wild winds roam lies an emerald in the ocean, a quiet island home. Rain falls on jungle leaves, green mountains touch the sky. Garden of Eden breathing where the busy world passed by. Ancient stones and sacred ground whisper through the rain for travelers seeking truth, not fortune or fame. This island waits in silence, pure and free, a place untouched by time. They call it Pohnpei. From the moment that you land here, feel the island smile. Soft voices say Castle, rest here for a while. Welcome to Pohnpei, hearts are warm and true. Smiling faces, open arms, respect is how we move. Safe beneath the island sky, slow life, peaceful days. Come as guests, leave as family in Micronesia's ways. Climb the peaks where forests breathe, clouds wrap round the land. Circle shores of mangrove rings, nature holding hands. Dive into the ocean blue, where the colors shine. Fish like living rainbows, dancing through the tide. Waterfalls come crashing down, stories from the past. History in every stone, memories that last. Side to side, top to bottom, beauty everywhere. Pohnpei keeps her secrets for those who truly care. Shy at first but kind at heart, that's the island way. Respect the land, respect the people, love will always stay. Welcome to Pohnpei, hearts are warm and true. Smiling faces, open arms, respect is how we move. Safe beneath the island sky, slow life, peaceful days. Come as guests, leave as family in Micronesia's ways. A week is never long enough to know this island deep. Sacred land and ocean soul, promises we keep. If you come with love and peace, you will understand why Pohnpei stays forever in your hand. Welcome to Pohnpei, off the beaten track, where the spirit finds its rhythm and the heart comes back. Friendly people, peaceful nights, kindness in the air. The Admiral Islands calling you, your home is here. Come with love, come with respect. Pohnpei will never forget.